Steve with Almetal dryer vent. Guys, this is a short vent. However, they still get dirty with no maintenance, okay? So clean your dryer vents. I know we've all been at home a lot lately. Clean your dryer vents. We're doing more laundry. Stay safe, okay? That's the last thing we need right now is for something to happen to your home. Way in. You see that, guys? I mean, this is a short vent. Almetal dryer vent. Guys, regardless if you use me, anybody else, get your dryer vents cleaned. AlmetalDryerVent.com. Thank you, guys.